What is up, everybody? Welcome to day 4 of building audio transcriber in Rust using Whisper.cpp and FFmpeg. This is the final episode where I summarize whatever we did so far. And just to give you the context for people who are not following up till now, we are just trying to build a tool which can take video file as an input and extract audio.wav file. A WAV file is the only format which can be understood by Whisper.cpp. So that's the basic agenda here. And for the extraction of WAV file, we are going to use FFmpeg, which if you're not living under the rock, you should know, because FFmpeg is industry standard for video and audio manipulation. If I'm not wrong, that's a huge if I'm not wrong. So sorry about that. And yeah, Whisper.cpp is an AI based tool which is written in C++ by this awesome dude. There's this awesome dude called Gironov. I don't know. I'll link his thing down below. You can just go and follow him if you feel like that work is really awesome, which I really feel it's actually awesome. Whisper.cpp takes in WAV file as input and transcribe them into text files. If you want to see the demo of it, good thing you asked, because I made a demo for you guys. And let me comment this whisper part now, because whisper part will be the second step, because since it's a two-step process of extracting audio first and inserting it into whisper.cpp. So the first step, basically what it does is, if I do cargo.run, you can see FFmpeg being activated by Rust. That's the awesome part of it. Like entire thing is being activated by Rust, and the control goes back to Rust too. So we went all the way through, signifies that the part is done. And if you do ls now, you can see that audio.stream.wav file is generated, which is an actual audio clip. And to run whisper.cpp on it, if you go here, there is the path of my audio file, and this is the path of the model which is going to be used in the backend to convert to understand whatever I spoke in that particular audio. And this is the command part of it, and you can freeze it here and look at the code and try to copy it and do it in your own thing. And if you want to make a complete proper CLI tool out of this, want me to make, you can comment down below, and I would really appreciate if you comment down below so that I can know that my efforts will not go to waste by building it, because so far my use case is actually done. The use case which I wanted to use this thing is actually done. Like I just wanted to convert my audio into text, and I successfully built the entire thing. So if this is something which you guys want to use, and so comment down below. Okay. And I uncommented the whisper part, so I am terribly bad at naming functions. I'm too bad. So this part, and if I go run this same damn thing right now, and you know what, I'll remove the rf, the audio.stream.wav file, rm.rf audio.stream.wav.text file, so that it will be authentic for you. Cargo.run. So now you can see the entire run, and Whisper is taking over the entire thing, and you can see convert your audio to text using whisper.cpp highlighted here. And you can also see that audio stream.wav.text file is generated, which is actually generated here. So audio stream.wav.text, and if I do cat audio stream.wav.text, you can see convert your audio files to text using whisper.cpp. That is the exact line which I spoke inside that audio clip. Isn't it awesome? So that's my cue for today, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, which I really appreciate actually. And for all the guys who interacted in my previous video, which was actually good, I'm boasting about myself, but thank you so much. And that's my cue. Bingo.